Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Toyota Highlander key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. This button allows you to access the hidden emergency key. Slide the button and pull out the emergency key blade. This key is crucial for manually unlocking your vehicle if the fob battery dies. Make sure to remove it completely before proceeding to the next step. Now that the emergency key is out, you'll see a small slot where it was housed. Carefully insert a small, flathead screwdriver into this slot. Apply gentle pressure and twist the screwdriver. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Work your way around the seam if needed, but usually one twist is enough to pop it open. With the key fob open, you'll see the small coin cell battery inside. Pay close attention to its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old battery. Most Toyota Highlander key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Test your key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your Highlander, to ensure everything works correctly. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below for links and other offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.